Les nouveaux propriétaires du restaurant Le Pois Penché, en collaboration avec l'hôtel Chez Swann, nous ont présenté, lors d'une soirée festive, leur nouveau menu et nouvelle énergie en plein cœur du centre-ville.
Tonight we're celebrating the relaunching of Pois Penché and the partnership with Hotel Chez Swann, which is annexed now to Restaurant Le Pois Penché. So that's a night of celebration, and that's where all the Montrealers are coming here to celebrate tonight.
So has the menu changed?
There's many changes in the menu in terms of offering. The chefs are now getting more towards local market, and some of the items are organic, and they're going lighter style of cooking, but keeping it as a brasserie comfort food.
So it's nice to see that new ownership is keeping the tradition alive, and the way this party is going, I think they're off to a good start. And the hotel is going to bring clients, it's going to bring tourists. I think it's a win-win.
C'est vraiment une belle place, on a du plaisir, on boit du champagne, on mange des bonnes charcuteries québécoises. Je vais revenir parce que c'est vraiment cool pour être ici en amis, passer des belles soirées, vraiment de discuter, d'avoir du fun en fait.
Moi je suis un gars de l'ouest de l'île, alors j'ai pas souvent la chance de venir au centre-ville pour les restaurants, mais je vais définitivement revenir. On est quelques gars qui sont venus aujourd'hui, on peut les voir derrière nous qui sont ici ce soir. On a un match cette semaine, alors on peut pas rester dehors trop tard, mais non, on est une bonne gang qui sont sortis ce soir.
Do you think that you'll be back?
Absolutely, for the food and probably even the hotel. You know, I got a chance to check out some of the rooms and the suites, and it's impressive. I like the work, I like the architecture, and you know, something like this makes you want to come back.
Are there a couple of items on the menu that are signature items?
Definitely, if you'd like the best steak frite in the city and the best tartars, and the seafood platters and oysters are the best in the city here.
Is there new energy since the relaunching?
There's lots of new energies, younger crowd, and the music is different and the energy is completely different. I believe this is a great place for set, and we have a great bar menu as well we offer here. So it's a great place to celebrate, and I think people are going to connect Pois Penché with celebrations.